Hello everyone, welcome back. In the previous class, I think we covered up till here. This is the part of chapter 3. Okay, through a brokerage, I think I've completed this. Started. What is a demat account? So see, think of a demat account as a bank account, but for your shares and securities. Instead of holding dusty paper certificates, your holdings are stored electronically in this secure digital vault. Yes. So in a demat account it's like your digital vault just for your shares and securities. Okay. So any stock that you buy using your brokerage account, it goes directly into your demat account. Okay. So inside a demat account, see how it works. You open a demat account with depository participants like a bank or a broker. The holdings are then held by depository NSDL or CDSL in an electronic form. Okay. Again, what it holds: shares, bonds, mutual funds, ETFs, and government securities all in one place. Yes. So a brokerage account right now, as far as I know, in the demat account, you can store, I think, FDs also right now. If I'm not mistaken, you can store that digitally. Okay. Now, how to buy share or a stock? The stock market seems like a daunting place, but buying and I think first we better, I think, what to do. Okay, let's start with this chapter also. Uh, right after ending this chapter, I will give you a brief preview or how to use a demat or how to use a brokerage account. I think we'll be sticking to Fire's demat, and I'll show you how it functions and everything. Okay, so open a brokerage account. Yes, you have to open a brokerage account. Choose a reputable online broker based on factors like fees, features, and investment options. So let's go to Paint. I'll just brief you something here. I don't want you to get confused. Something which is called, see, we have in the market something called brokerage account. Then we have demat account. Now there's a thin line, okay, here. Understand. For example, in a brokerage account, I want to buy a stock. Okay, XYZ stock. So I'll buy here. The moment I buy from the brokerage account, it goes into my demat account. Okay. What is the difference between brokerage account and demat account is that brokerage account is used for buying and selling of shares. Clear? Buy and sell shares. Demat account is used for, it's used like a digital vault for storing of shares. Clear? So what happens the moment I buy any shares in the brokerage account? It goes into my demat account, which I'll show you. Okay, how does it functions and everything. I'll show you clearly in and out. Okay. When I'm giving the overview of a demat of a Fire's demat, I'll show you. Fire's brokerage. We should call it brokerage, not demat. Again, brokerage account is majorly run by private companies. Okay, private entities, bodies, whatever you call them. Demat account is being controlled by the government. The government stores. NSDL is the body of the government that is responsible for holding all your shares. So the shares are holded by the government. Okay, not the government body, which is the same thing. Okay, so understand the difference. You are buying, selling shares, trading, everything happens in the brokerage account. Again, the for example, this share has reached here XYZ. Now I want to sell this share. Yes, I have to bring it back into the brokerage, then only I can sell it. But for that, I need to use my T pin, okay, transaction pin. That will get my things done. Okay, which I'll show you how it works and everything. Okay, so let's go back. Yeah, fund your account. Yes, we have to transfer money from our bank account to the brokerage account. This will be your buying power. Yes, obviously. If you don't have money, how can you buy shares? Plain and simple. Choose your stock. Research companies and identify your stock you're interested in. Yes, exactly. Whatever stock which I want to buy, I have to, search for it in the brokerage account. I'll show you how it works, and everything will be done there. Then we have place your order. Yes. Uh, Use your broker's platform to place an order to buy or sell shares. Specify the stock symbol, quantity, and order type. Yes, everything has to be specified. Okay, which I'll show you how it happens in the practical session, where I'll be showing you how to buy or sell shares clearly. Then we have order execution. Yes, there are two different types of order. Let's go back. First, I'll just give you a theory of it. We have market order, MO, and limit order. In the market order, sorry, in the market order, what happens? Whatever the stock price is running. For example, I search for XYZ company, or for example, Tata Motors. Whatever the price is running, 750, 770. I just want to buy it right away at that price. That is called market order. Aggressive order. I just want it at that whatever price it's running in the market, I want it at that price. That is called your market order. Then we have limit order. Limit order means I want it at a specific price. For example, as I told you, Tata Motors was running at 750. Okay. But I want it at 745. What can I do? I can place a limit order. I'll show you how to place a limit order also and everything. I'll place a limit order at 745. I won't get the share instantly unless the price comes down. Unless the price from 750 comes down to 745, right away I'll get the share. Okay, right away. I'll show you how it works also. Yes, monitor and manage, staying informed about market movements and holdings. Yes, you can adjust your positions by buying or selling additional shares. Yes, you can do that. Okay, everything can be done um, in the brokerage. Okay, in the brokerage domain. So here we come to an end of chapter 3. Okay, so first I want to start with the overview of how to use a brokerage or a demat account. Then we'll move on to chapter 4. Okay, so let's end here. Thank you.